Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do the lead spinning side kick in UFC 6. So performing this kick is really easy, but firstly we have to make sure that the fighter we are using has the kick available in his moveset. And to check the fighter moveset, firstly we need to pause the game and then locate view moves option and select it. After that, switch the category to kicks and then scroll down in your fighter kick section until you find the lead spinning side kick. So as you can see, the fighter I am using has this lead spinning side kick available, and to perform this I need to press L1, R1 and O on PlayStation. If you are on Xbox, then the controls will be given in this menu. Again, if I scroll down here, I should be able to find another lead spinning side kick. So there we go, we have this lead body spinning side kick, and to perform it I need to press R2 plus L2 plus O on PlayStation, and again the Xbox keys will be shown here. So to perform the kick I need to press L1 plus R1 plus circle, and if you are on Xbox then it should be LB plus RB plus B, like so. And to perform the lead spinning body kick I need to press L2 plus R2 plus O, like so. This is the way. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.